Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I talk about mindful purchasing of all luxury items, and if this is something you are interested in, please stay a while and consider subscribing to my channel. Now this is one of the items I purchased recently from my local Hermes store. I was actually actively looking for a Apple Watch band from Hermes to switch into my new Apple Watch that was gifted to me by a family member. So it's not an Apple Watch directly from Hermes, but I would like to switch the sports brand sports band here from Apple into a leather band from Hermes. Now I wasn't intending to buy another watch from Hermes, so that was a surprise purchase, which I will upload the video a bit later. But let's just talk about this Apple Watch band from Hermes. So this is Swift leather, very beautiful, deep dark green color. The color is called Vert Mangrove, and is the single tour band. And you can see here the Hermes lettering on the metal piece, and very smooth and comfortable leather. On the inside is the gold color and is made in France. So yeah, you just switch it in like any other Apple Watch band. Nothing different really. But I was actually a bit initially worried that the proportion of the thin band with the big Apple Watch wouldn't match, but surprisingly it actually matches quite well, and it does give it a fairly interesting mix of sport style of a electronic watch with the traditional leather band, and it's very comfortable. You've got one loop that is fixed in the band, and then the other one that you can adjust so that it keeps the strap sort of flat against the wrist, depending on which what length your wrist required. So yeah, very comfortable. Really love this unique color, and I think it matches well with the rest of the watch. And yeah, so very happy with this purchase. And I think in comparison to getting the full Hermes Apple Watch, this is a much more economical version. This way you still get the Hermes leather, but at a fraction of the price. And really, I think the Apple Watch from Hermes is probably nothing special apart from just you get the Hermes logo and the wallpaper, which in all honesty I can do without. So let's look the craftsmanship of the band is very well done as well. The glazing is well, the stitching is good. So absolutely, the packaging, the box, everything gives a luxurious experience. Yeah, what do you guys think? Do you have an Apple Watch? Would you be thinking of switching into an Hermes leather band? It really does make me enjoy my Apple Watch a lot better because it fits into my personal fashion style a lot better. So this is it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.